John writes, how about a dual impeller for my riding style? Highly modified ski. He's on a Yamaha FX SVHO, so it's a full-size runabout. He says, wake jumping goofball, not looking for top speed, 85 miles per hour max, more about acceleration. So I guess he's inquiring about applications with the dual impeller.
Yeah, the dual impeller, the Solus dual impeller, definitely, works pretty badass in the surf, in the ocean. Definitely does hinder the top speed, but it can be beneficial for somebody like John in what he does. Obviously, the pitch would have to be correct for whatever he's using it with. So again, the key to that is getting the pitch of the impeller correct so that the engine can rev at its peak RPM.
Now, I am curious, why would the longer surface area of a dual impeller be a negative towards top speed? How is that? How is the water moving across that surface? Is it and slowing it down?
Too many surfaces, just more drag. So you got, you just got a lot more drag in there. It just isn't processing it as fast. So it ends up hindering the speed a little bit.
Okay. All right. And that's so the dual impeller being highly favored for the freestyle guys.
Racing, surf riding, free. I don't know about freestyle. Freestyle boats usually like to save and conserve some weight. But,
okay.
At Scat Track, we did make a few prototypes for people that were interested in running twin props, and they don't like to tell anybody, so they're probably still running them. And
hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.